during the function. His worthy representatives have already arrived amongst us. I would now request our worthy chairman, sir, to give us his valuable permission to begin with today's function. Audience who has gathered here, I welcome you all on behalf of the Cambridge family on this annual function. Thank you all for giving us your time. Before we launch, let me first acknowledge the presence of our eminent dignitaries. Let me tell you, we have a very committed management. Their idea of ongoing progress of school and taking it to new heights is commendable. From air-conditioned spacious rooms to smart classes, to swimming pools and holding gala events every year is absolutely laudable. जैसे कि हमारे डायरेक्टर विनीत सर का उसूल है, एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद तो मैं खुद की भी नहीं सुनता। रिश्ते में तो हम इनके बाप लगते हैं। नाम है हमारे ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन श्री मोहिंदर अग्रवाल जी। Let's welcome him, audience. Give him a huge round of applause. जो मैं बोलता हूँ वो मैं करता हूँ, जो मैं नहीं बोलता वो मैं डेफिनेटली करता हूँ। Give our principal, Mr. Ravinder Vora, a big hand, audience. Don't underestimate the talent of Reena ma'am. Please welcome Cambridge Junior Principal, Mrs. Reena Kundra. आपके पाँव देखे, बहुत हसीन है, इन्हें ज़मीन पे मत उतारिए, मैले हो जाएंगे. Let's welcome the lady with ethnicity and style, our Director of Academics, Mrs. Sen. ये जहाँ खड़ी होती हैं, लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है. Let's welcome the most dynamic Mrs. Rohini Arora. Handling people is one of the toughest jobs. Companies hire CEOs, managers, and team leaders, while we do not realize that it is our dear elected politicians who do this back-breaking and strenuous job every day. Now it's time to share a few words about our guest of honor, Mr. Gurjeet Singh Aujla. Talking about his career and various achievements, he worked in various states during elections since 1997. And in the same year, he was appointed as Vice President of District Youth Congress Amritsar. In 2004, he became the non-official visitor member of Amritsar Central Jail. In 2011, he was appointed as Secretary in PPCC and became the member of Information and Public Relations Cell. He constructed and developed the Office of District Congress Committee Rural Amritsar from personal funds without any external help. Darkness cannot drive out darkness. It's only the light of consciousness and education that can dispel darkness. Let us wish the light takes over darkness of injustice and violence and guide us towards progress. Now, I would like to call Mrs. Aujla, respected members of management and school authorities to accompany her for lamp lighting. applause, audience. And Mrs. Sen to come forward and present a souvenir and token of gratitude to our worthy guest, that is Srimati Jagir Kaur Aujla, and Gurjeet Singh Aujla's wife, Mrs. Aujla, who are representing our honorable chief guest. Directors Mrs. Shweta Agarwal is not present here today. She has sent a message for us. I would like to call Ms. Nidhi to come up and convey that message.
The primary annual show is a milestone event in the journey of Cambridge International School. I have been away for a while for some medical reasons and have deeply missed every moment leading up to this great event. At the beginning of every academic year, I challenge my staff and set higher targets for them, and I'm proud to say that they all put up their heart and soul, work with zeal and confidence to achieve it. The children have practiced long hours to put up a wonderful show, and my team of teachers have worked day and night to materialize the idea that we have conceptualized months ago. I would like to congratulate Nidhi, Tanu, Vishal and his team and my entire staff for what I am sure will be an exemplary show. I'm sending my blessings for all my students and my best wishes for my entire team. We shall continue to strive and achieve higher goals in the future. All the best. Dear Shweta ma'am, your leadership and words of encouragement mean a lot to us. You are a great friend, mentor, teacher, and a guide. Your support and advice has helped us grow. Thanks for being the best leader ever. We are really missing you.
Now, I would like to call our principal to come up and say a few words and present his annual report to kick off the event. Please give him a warm welcome.
The annual report is not only the detail of what all has been achieved by the school over a period of a year, it's also an almanac of the school which the school aims at in the months to come. Highlighting the importance of this document, Warren Buffett, a leading philanthropist and a top business magnate of America, once said that while others read the playful magazines, I only read the annual reports. Honorable Mrs. Jagir Kaur Aujla ji, my sister, Mrs. Amandeep Gauri, revered members of the school management, our valued guests, and ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. It's a matter of rare privilege for me to present the annual report of the school this evening in front of all of you. First of all, I would like to mention the academic achievements of the school in the CBSE board exams in the year 2017 and 18. In grade 12th, not only the result of the school was 100%, rather two students, Kamia Bajaj and Shanmi Kapoor from Commerce stream were the ones who scored 95% and 93% marks respectively. Similarly, 14 more students were there who scored in the range of 81% to 90%. Likewise, in grade 10th, again the CBSE board results were 100%. Out of the total 82 students who appeared in the exams, 14 students were there who got CGPA between 9 and 10. The topper of this batch was Pritika Sharma with CGPA 10. Apart from this, 14 others got CGPA between 8 and 9. I would request this August gathering to put the hands together for these students once. Thank you so much. In sports, first of all, I would like to put across the health and physical education, which has been made mandatory by the CBSE for all students of grade 9 to 12. It has been successfully implemented in the school this year. Now, as a result of this, every student of these classes has been participating in at least one game, one physical activity, and has also been making social contributions by means of participating in the activities aiming at social empowerment of the society. In all, 125 students of the school have participated in various sports at the zonal level, 73 at the district level, 18 at the state level, and 5 at the national level this year. It is worth mentioning here that 5 students of the school have just participated in the national level Silambam Championship held at Maharashtra and have brought laurels to the school. In kickboxing, Sukhleen Kaur of grade 9th has been selected for the national level this year. In badminton, Ishan Gupta of 12th Commerce has been selected at the national level. In athletics, Gurunur Kaur of grade 7th has been selected for the state level. And in handball, Raj Mahinder Singh of grade 7th has played at the state level. Similarly, in skating, Jasmehar Kaur of grade 10th and Rhythmpreet Kaur of grade 5th have been selected for the state level. It's also a matter of pride for the school that Lukesh Malhotra of grade 10th has got the opportunity to participate in under 19 cricket team at the state level, and he has got 3rd position in it. Similarly, in the CBSE tournaments, Gurkiran Singh of grade 7th has participated in the cluster level swimming championship. In co-curricular activities also, our students have participated in various social and cultural activities organized by Hodhya School Complex, Amritsar, and a plenty of other social and cultural organizations. Not only this, our school itself has also hosted a number of inter-class and inter-school competitions in various fields. An inter-school folk dance competition to celebrate the World Heritage Day in collaboration with INTEC, that is Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, was one of them. Ladies and gentlemen, apart from this, we have also successfully conducted 2 mega events in this year. Out of these, Incredible Integrations was one such event in which the students of grade 5th to 9th joyfully presented the art and science of integrating the teaching and learning of different subjects with a common theme. The students of grade 8th to 12th participated in IT-based competitions woven around the internationally trending topics like reverse coding and artificial intelligence. In fact, the list of achievements of our students is really so large that it will take me a whole day if I start enumerating each one of them. So, I have restricted myself to the mention of a few startling ones only. Having said that, it gives me an immense pleasure to share with you that this year our school has also inaugurated a fully equipped swimming pool of half Olympic size for its students. In academics, we have hired Construct for conducting hands-on learning in all classes from grade 3rd to 12th. Likewise, in grade 1 and 2, Lego classes have been introduced for a similar purpose. Apart from this, we have also tied up with Trinity College London for providing an exposure of international standards of spoken English to our students of grade 1 and 2 and 3. Not only this, in order to improve the spoken English skills of the students in higher classes, we have also conducted a series of in-house events and competitions, including SpellQuest, SpellBee, and on-campus spoken English, that is OCSE. In order to ensure holistic development of the personality of our children, we have also introduced a number of clubs and societies this year. As a result, each and every student of the school is now a proud member of at least one club, a society, or a hobby group. This year, more than 150 students of the school have also participated in various Olympiads in science, maths, and English. Dear parents of our beloved children, you would be glad to know that this year we have also conducted career counseling sessions for the students of classes 9th to 12th in collaboration with a Bombay-based reputed company known as iDream Careers. And the online reports in respect of each and every student have also been generated. Apart from all this, I also proudly announce that this year we have implemented smart class system in all classrooms of the school with the help of the innovative concepts like N-computing and cloud integrations. Ladies and gentlemen, it's also worth mentioning here that Ms. Tejnoor of class plus 1 has been finalized for Miss Punjab Beauty Pageant. Similarly, Ramit Chopra of grade 10th has added another feather to the cap of the school by means of winning accolades in various international art and graphic competitions held at Spain. Last but not the least, I would like to take the privilege of sharing with you all that today, a while after this, we would also be inaugurating the first ever quarterly newsletter of this school, which would again be another fabulous achievement for all of us. As you all would agree, this is an age of global citizenship. But if we think only up to here, I'm sorry to say we would be a mark behind the technologically advanced people of the world. Why? Because this is actually an age of the robotic citizenship. Recently, UAE has become the first country of the world to officially recognize Sophia, a humanoid, as its citizen. Now, Sophia can attend the interviews, it can address the conferences, and represent her nation at various international platforms. To our surprise, it can understand 16 different types of human feelings and imitate as many human actions too, like smiling, waving of the hand, and even winking of the eye. All that could be possible only due to one thing, and that is programming or coding of the computerized machines. In fact, if our children do not know coding, they are going to be no less than the technically illiterate human beings in the times to come. On the contrary, if they know coding and computer programming, they are most likely to get highly paying jobs and projects from high-end multinational companies immediately on the completion of their education. Therefore, in order to empower our students in the field of IT and to provide them an edge over the others, our school is all set to be the first school of North India to introduce coding as a practical subject right from the class UKG onwards. Under the title of Code with Cambridge, we have tied up with the multinational company of Canada for this purpose. I'm sure you all would help us popularize this project as far as possible so that a large number of the students from the city may benefit from it. In the end, I'm sanguine you would have a great time ahead and enjoy as well as appreciate the efforts put in by the young stars of our school to prepare and present some heart-throbbing items in front of this August gathering. Jai Hind.
This is the time to unveil our first ever newsletter, which we have proudly named as the Cambridge Circle. I would request worthy guests, member of management and school authorities to come forward for the release of the same. Please welcome them, audience. We deserve a big hand that we've achieved this. We are so grateful. Hindi cinema, often referred to as Bollywood, perhaps the biggest influence of it has been on nationalism in India itself. Cinema actually has been the most vibrant medium for telling India its own story. जिस तरह दीवार फिल्म में अमिताभ बच्चन के पास धन, दौलत, बंगला और गाड़ी थी, और शशि कपूर ने उनके किरदार को चुप कराने के लिए माँ का सहारा लिया था, उसी तरह आज हमारे पास सीसा का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, बच्चों का टैलेंट, टीचर्स की मेहनत और मैनेजमेंट का सपोर्ट है। आपके पास क्या है? Let's welcome first the people who are going to unwind the symphony, co-created by our teachers and students together. Give them a huge round of applause.